Hi, I'm Catherine and welcome to another How to Make. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own shark headband so you can be the shark out of the book Shark in the Park on a windy day. So what you're going to need is some card, some scissors, some glue, a pen, a thick marker pen, a headband, some black foam and a shark fin template cut out of card. Take your shark template and draw around the template and then use scissors to cut that out. You'll need an adult to help you with this because card is quite tricky to cut out, and then you'll have your card shark template. Now take your black piece of foam and place your shark template on top and then draw around your template and then cut that out until you have 2 shark fins. Now you need to glue both of your foam fins to the card fin. So place some glue on and then stick that down and repeat that on the other side. There you have the foam stuck on both sides of the cardboard. We've got a flap here that we're going to colour with the marker. So colour that all black like that, and then it's ready to stick onto your headband. Now you're going to glue your headband onto the cardboard fin. So place some glue, plenty of glue on there, and then on the top there where it's going to go, and then stick those 2 together. You can use some tape to secure it just while it's drying, like that. There you have your very own Shark in the Park headband. Now, Tim knows that shape and he knows what to do. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" Now, can you shout that too?